Hidden in Gujarat's heart, Zarwani Waterfall, nature's secret escape. Crystal streams tumble down, painting a picture of pure serenity. Here, the forest whispers, the breeze sings, and every step feels timeless. A perfect blend of adventure and calm, where memories flow like the river itself. Zarwani Waterfall is located inside the Shoolpaneshwar Wildlife Sanctury in Narmada district, Gujarat, near Rajpipla and Kevadia. It lies in the Satpura range close to the Narmada river, about 90 kilometers from Vadodara and well connected by road and rail.